How to use the taskbar in Windows. Use the taskbar for more than seeing your apps and checking the time. You can personalize it in many ways, for example, change the color, pin your favorite apps to it, and move or rearrange taskbar buttons. You can also check your battery status and minimize all open programs momentarily so that you can take a look at your desktop. First, how to pin an app to the taskbar. Pin an app directly to the taskbar for quick access when you're on the desktop. Or unpin it, if you want. You can do it from Start or the Jump list, which is a list of shortcuts to recently opened files, folders, and websites. Pin an app from Start. In the search box on the taskbar, type the name of the app you want to pin to the taskbar. I will pin Notepad. Right-click on the app, then select Pin to Taskbar. To unpin an app, follow the same steps and select Unpin from taskbar. Pin or unpin an app from the app list. If the app is already open, select and hold the icon in the taskbar, or right-click it, then select Pin to Taskbar. If you're unpinning, follow the same steps and select Unpin from taskbar. Pin an app to start. In the search box on the taskbar, type the name of the app you want to pin to start. Right-click on the app, then select Pin to start. To unpin an app, follow the same steps and select Unpin from Start. Next, how to change the taskbar alignment. Typically, the taskbar icons are centered, but you can also align them to the side of the taskbar. Press and hold or right-click any empty space on the taskbar, then select Taskbar Settings. Taskbar Behaviors. Scroll to Taskbar Alignment and select Left. To restore, select Centered again. Next, how to rearrange taskbar buttons. Whenever you want to change the order of app buttons on the taskbar, just drag a button from its current position to a different one. Next, how to hide badges on taskbar buttons. A badge on a taskbar button is an alert to let you know that some activity is happening, or needs to happen, with that app. For example, a bell badge on the Alarms and Clocks app alerts you to an active alarm that will notify you at the time you set. This feature is turned on by default, but if you want to make sure it's on, or to turn it off, press and hold or right-click any empty space on the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings. Select Taskbar Behaviors. And scroll to show badges, unread messages counter, on taskbar apps. Next, how to disable the Show Desktop feature on taskbar. The Show Desktop feature is used to take a quick look at what's on your desktop behind all the open windows. To show desktop, move the mouse over the far right edge of the taskbar and left-click. By default it is enabled, and to disable it, press and hold or right-click any empty space on the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings. Select Taskbar Behaviors. Then uncheck select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. Next, how to automatically hide the taskbar. You can hide the taskbar both in desktop mode and tablet mode. Press and hold or right-click any empty space on the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings. Select Taskbar Behaviors. And select Automatically Hide the taskbar. To see the taskbar after it's hidden, hover your mouse over, or touch, the bottom edge of your screen. Next, how to change the color of your taskbar. Select Start. Settings. Personalization. Select Colors. And scroll to Accent Color. You will see Show Accent Color on Start in Taskbar. Note, this option is only available if you select Dark or Custom as your Windows color, under Choose Your Mode. If you choose Custom, you'll also need to choose Dark for Choose Your default Windows mode. Turn on Show Accent Color on Start in Taskbar. This will change the color of your taskbar to the color of your overall theme. I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so YouTube notifies you when I upload a new video. Leave your comments and questions in the comments section below the video. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.